Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change a shape color using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element and I'll change this shape color. Now click on this comment option and this bottom option. Here you will find the select option. Click on the selection. Now select your shape and select. Now click on this right top corner option. Here you will find this properties option. And you can see this border color, see this, and this border thickness you can increase decrease, and this one fill color you can choose any fill color, and it's opposite option, and you can change more color and so on. You can make it transparent and so on. This is in this you can change your shape, border color, fill color, and this one theme color. This is also it says this one fill color, also this one, and border color, and see this. In this way you can change your shape color. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.